Hey, this is Tucker with Highline Moving and Delivery. Moving can be a hectic time, and while moves do usually go swimmingly, accidents do happen resulting in lost or damaged items, and we want you to be prepared for any possible outcome to make your move as easy as possible. While moving companies are liable for lost and damaged goods, there are different levels of coverage for your items. You will choose your valuation coverage based on your needs. So I'm going to talk to you about your different valuation options as well as potential things that could limit your mover's liability. Option 1 is full value protection. By choosing this option, your mover is responsible for the replacement value of lost or damaged items. This means that for any item that is lost or damaged, your mover will offer to either repair the item, replace it with a similar item, or make a cash settlement for the cost of the repair or the current market price of the item. For this option, you will declare on the bill of lading the estimated value of what you believe your items to be worth. In other words, the dollar amount of coverage that you wish to provide for your items. Coverage is purchased for 50 cents per every $100 of declared value, with a $250 deductible. An example would be, if you believe all of your items to be worth $10,000, that amount of coverage would cost you $50. It is also important for you to know that with this option, moving companies limit their liability to lost or damaged articles of extreme value unless you notify your mover in writing on the shipping document of each high-value item. An article of value is any item whose value exceeds $100 per pound. Option number 2 is released value. Although this option is free of charge to you, it offers minimal protection for your items. Under this option, the moving company is liable for no more than 30 cents per pound per article. Therefore, you would only be compensated based on the weight of your item. An example would be, if you had a flat screen television that weighed 30 pounds and it's damaged, the maximum amount that you could receive would be $9, which falls well below the actual value of the TV itself. It is important to know that if you do not waive the full value coverage in writing, federal regulations mandate that we provide you with full value coverage, but you will be billed for said coverage. Actions that limit mover liability include the following: packing hazardous materials without mover knowledge. If you've had a recent estimate, you can reference the Highline moving pamphlet for further information on hazardous items. 2 would be packing your own boxes. Incorrect packing can result in broken items and can make it harder for you to make a claim. If packing your own boxes, research proper packing methods, especially for fragile, odd-shaped items. To protect items, you should purchase new size-appropriate boxes for the move. Note any damaged boxes upon delivery on the delivery documents in order to establish mover's liability. 3 is choosing released value coverage when your items are worth more than 30 cents per pound. Like we talked about, this is weight-based and does not provide adequate protection.